everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chaixolatte. If you guys are new to this channel, I am currently a cosmetology student, and that means that I will be doing hair, skin, and nail services in the near come future. It just so happens that nails has been one of the subjects that has truly gripped my interest, and I've been practicing on my mannequin hand. But my mannequin hand actually recently broke on me, and I decided to make an investment into a new hand. This is the bag that it came in, and opening it here. The first thing that I see is this stand. This is how it looks. This is so that you can attach the hand, I'm guessing here, and you're able to like work with it as if it's a real person, so that's cool. This thing is heavy, wow. So this is how she comes in the bag, in this mesh little small bag here. That's insane. Look at how lifelike this looks, you guys. This is the attachment to the stand. So you would attach it here like this, and I guess squeeze it in there and twist this in order to tighten it and loosen it. And then it's got this suction mechanism here at the bottom so that it can adhere to your table. But getting into this hand, look at how real this looks. Get a load of those fingers. Let me see her like bent over. Oh my gosh. This is honestly really next level. Like, I cannot explain just how excited I am about this. So this is an 100% silicone hand. And as you can see, her cuticles, we'll call them, her eponychium, her cuticles, they pull all the way back. So there's like nice space in there for you to put a tip that would act kind of sort of like her natural nail, so that you can do acrylic or polygel, whatever form of nail extension it is that you would like to be practicing. But this is super duper realistic. And this is like how the palm looks. You can't tell me that they did not do their big one when it comes to this. You can actually see the fingerprint on the fingers of the mannequin. I just want to mention just how much attention to detail they put into this mannequin hand. You can see all the little fingerprints and grooves in this hand, just like a regular person's hand. Look at the veins. Wow. And then lastly, this is also what comes in the bag. You get some, I guess like half cover acrylic nail tips that you can insert inside of the hand. So this is the nail tip. You would put the tip inside of the skin until it stops, and then you can work on her nail as if it's a natural like nail. So that's one way that you can use this. Me personally, for one, they did not provide very many nail tips, which is not like an all-inclusive kind of kit. You can purchase full tips in order to allow you to practice as much as you would like. I myself purchased this gigantic bag. I don't remember if I purchased it off of Shein or if I purchased it off of Amazon. I honestly have to double check. But in this bag of tips that I purchased, they have individual baggies with numbers on them. You can organize it into a container if you would like. And this is what they look like. I'm gonna just try to maneuver this tip inside of the finger here. Push it all the way back there. And this is how the finger looks with a full cover nail tip on there. And honestly, you can just file it and then proceed with your acrylic application and then your designs from there if you would like to practice this length of nail. But like, the nail is in there, you guys. The nail is in there. Now with this hand, I did previously watch a few tutorials on people utilizing them, and I noticed that some people would apply nail glue to the tips. I'm assuming that is because they were working with shorter nail tips using the silicone mannequin. And as I was watching a few further videos on people using their hands, some people were using full cover tips. I do feel like the full cover tip method would probably be the best method to use when using this hand, just because you know you want to protect your investment. So I'd say get the full nail cover tips. But that was pretty much this unboxing video. If you would like to see any future content in regards to the nail sets I will be practicing, definitely make sure you subscribe down below. I am a beauty content creator, so I will be doing makeup videos, hair videos, anything in between. So make sure, like I said, you subscribe and turn your post notifications on so that you guys don't miss any of my future uploads. And also comment down below, would you invest in this practice mannequin hand? What do you guys think? Like, she's super hyper realistic, and they had a multitude of different skin tones that you could choose from. So let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in my next video.